Ever wondered why so many mature gentlemen jump into partnerships driven by their dread of solitude rather than genuine desire for connection? This silent anxiety rarely gets discussed openly. If this message matters to you, tap that like button to help it reach fellow men in our age bracket. Share your thoughts below. Do you believe casual dating or committed relationships make more sense after the half-century mark? Let's examine the pitfalls through philosophical wisdom. Point number 1. Many ladies in your demographic aren't pursuing romance. Their primary goal is security. You represent the harbor, not the journey. Have you noticed how quickly attraction vanishes when its foundation is merely practical? Point number 2. Independence disappears. You've dedicated decades earning tranquility and unhurried daybreaks. Never exchange your personal sanctuary for companionship, demanding you diminish your existence. Your hard-earned serenity shouldn't be sacrificed for relationship obligations. Point number 3. You transform into an emotional support system. Mature women bring accumulated experiences, household tensions, wellness concerns, monetary anxieties. You evolve into their counselor, their anchor, their protective barrier. Ancient philosophy cautions against shouldering responsibilities that aren't rightfully yours. When navigating another's turbulence, your own tranquility gets compromised. Avoid trading self-governance for psychological nurturing. Isn't maintaining your own peace more valuable than becoming someone's emotional crutch? Point number 4. You jeopardize your mature life awakening. This stage represents your pinnacle for insight and direction. Partnerships necessitate adjustments, and such adjustments undermine personal growth. The real threat isn't solitude. It's surrendering the tranquility you've spent a lifetime building. If these words resonated with you, comment "Tranquility Chosen" underneath. Hit like and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory for additional authentic perspectives.